In this video, we will discuss about the topic is the root modification. Roots generally function is the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. It fixes the plant into the soil and anchoring to the plant. But also roots have some additional functions like a storage of food, mechanical support to the plant, respiration and photosynthesis and nitrogen fixation. These additional functions is known as a root modification. Additional functions known as a root modification. What is the functions is storage of food. What is the functions is storage of food. And mechanical support to the plant. And respiration for respiration. And nitrogen fixation. And photosynthesis for photosynthesis. These additional functions known as the root modification. First we will talking about the storage of food. Storage of food. First example is radish. Scientific name of radish is the Raphanus sativus. Raphanus sativus. In radish, base part slightly narrow, middle becomes swollen and gradually temporary towards the tip. In primary root having some hair-like structures. It appear in spindle shaped. This type of taproots is called fusiform taproot. And next example is the carrot. Scientific name of carrot Daucus carota. In carrot, the base is wide, middle swollen, gradually temporary towards the tip. It appear in conical shape. This type of taproots is called conical taproots. And the third example is sweet potato. Scientific name of sweet potato Hypomia batatas. Base part middle extraordinary swollen. Middle extraordinary swollen. Okay, this type of roots is called nepiform roots. So those are the examples of storage of food. The three examples is middle become swollen due to storage of food. Middle become swollen due to storage of food. The radish appear in spindle shaped. This type of roots is called fusiform tap roots. The carrot appear in conical shapes. This type of roots is called conical tap roots. And sweet potato middle extraordinary swollen due to storage of food. This roots is called nepiform tap roots. The radish scientific name is the Raphanus sativus. The carrot scientific name is the Daucus carota. And the sweet potato scientific name is the Ipomea batatas. Those are examples of storage of food. Next we will go to the mechanical support to the plant. Mechanical support to the plant. In this mechanical, first one is the prop roots. Prop roots. Prop roots के example banyan tree. Banyan tree. Scientific name of banyan tree is the Ficus bengalensis. Ficus bengalensis. In banyan tree, the branches are heavy and fat. The branches are heavy and fat. The branches are heavy and fat. The aerial branches hanging in the air and penetrate into the soil. Aerial branches hanging in the air and directly penetrate into the soil. These hanging structures giving pillar-like support to the plant and mechanical support to the plant. It acts as a pillar-like appearance and giving mechanical support to the plant of banyan tree. And next one, stilt roots. Stilt roots. Example stilt roots ki sugarcane, maize. The stems of example sugarcane and maize. Maize. Scientific name of sugarcane is the Saccharum officinarum. Saccharum officinarum. Saccharum officinarum is the scientific name of sugarcane. Maize scientific name is the Gia maize. Maize scientific name Gia maize. In the stem of sugarcane and maize, roots are originate from the lower node of the stem near the soil. Node, lower node of the stem. This type of roots is the stilt root. The stem of sugarcane and maize roots are originate from the lower node of the stem near the soil. These roots are giving mechanical support to the plant. Those are the examples of mechanical support to the plants. Once again, mechanical support, prop roots and stilt roots. Prop roots example banyan tree. Scientific name of the Ficus bengalensis. In banyan tree, the branches are very fat and thick. They have some aerial hanging structures. These hanging structures appear in the air and directly penetrate into the soil. These hanging structure appear like a pillars they act as a pillars, given mechanical support to the plant. And next example, stilt roots. Example, sugarcane and maize. Sugarcane scientific name is the Saccharum officinarum. Maize scientific name is the Gia maize. So the stem of maize and sugarcane, roots are originated from the lower node of the stem. Roots are originated from the lower node of the stem. They given mechanical support to the plant. Next, we will go to the respiratory roots. Next one, respiratory roots. Respiratory roots. These type of roots are found in the plants growing in marshy or swampy areas. Marshy or swampy areas. What is meaning of marshy and swampy areas? Marshy areas means the water accumulating for a long time. So examples, Rhizophora, Avicennia, Rhizophora and Avicennia. Is the primary root. The aerial roots are appear like a conical shape. The aerial roots are appear like a conical shape. In this conical having small minute pores. Minute pores on their surface. Aerial branches are appear like a conical shapes. In this conical having minute pores is called pneumatophores. These pneumatophores are helpful to the respiration of O2 and exchange of gases. This type of roots is called the respiratory roots or pneumatophores. Respiratory roots are pneumatophores. Actually, the pneumatophores are modification by lenticels. Once again, respiratory roots are pneumatophores. Respiratory roots are actually found in the plant growing in marshy and swampy areas. Marshy means water accumulating for a long time. Examples, Rhizophora and Avicennia. In these plants, the primary root, the aerial branches appear like the aerial branches growing upward and appear like a conical shape. In this conical having minute pores on their surface. These pores is called a pneumatophores. Pneumatophores are helpful in the respiration of O2, exchange of gases. Actually, these pneumatophores are modification by lenticels.